everyone. Vaccines are critical inventions to save people's lives since decades. Therefore, we, students of Advanced Academy, come forward for awareness of COVID vaccine. COVID vaccines are safe and effective. Don't hesitate to get vaccinated.
Hello everyone, I'm Hitanshi Mishra of grade 3rd B from Advanced Academy School Indore. Here our rally is about corona vaccine awareness. Protect yourself, protect others, get vaccinated. Protect yourself, protect others, get vaccinated. Please don't wait, vaccinate. Please don't wait, vaccinate. Please don't wait, vaccinate. Be wise, immunize.
Good morning everyone. I'm Ivan Nandu of class 2A of Advanced Academy School. It's 2021. Don't let anyone waste your time. Running scared won't help. Precautions may. As we all know, indoor अब तक स्वच्छता में चौका मार चुका है पर अब बारी टूना कोविड for 6.
Morning everyone, my name is Advika Saxena. I study in class 2nd A in Advanced Academy School. As you know that corona vaccine is out in the market, so don't hesitate. Get vaccinated and encourage others to do the same. This is the key to win this battle. Now it's time to say, go corona, go, go, go corona, go, go. We are not afraid of you anymore. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Balraj Dugal. I study in class 1A in Advanced Academy School. My slogan is 1 2 3 4 कोरोना ने बचाया है कार 5 6 7 8 बांध लो ये गार्ड 9 10 11 12 नहीं आने देंगे इसे दोबारा वैक्सीन लगाओ खुद को बचाओ थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे
Good morning everyone. My name is Puri Pandita of class 4D from Advanced Academy. India's largest corona drive has started. Vaccinate your family, protect your community. Stay alert, control the virus and get vaccinated. Stay alert, control the virus and get vaccinated.
Good morning everyone. I am Prayan Dharmani of class 1st A of Advanced Academy School. बीमारी से डरे, टीके से नहीं. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में, छूट ना जाए टीका. Scared of disease, not vaccination. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Anubhav Joshi. I study in class 1C in Advanced Academy School. Go Corona go! Go Corona go! Go Corona go! Now alert, COVID-19 pandemic is no more. Our scientists discovered the vaccine. We are grateful to our scientists. तैयारी पूरी है, जीत निश्चित है. तैयारी पूरी है, जीत निश्चित है. कोरोना को मार भगाए, इसको भारत की ताकत दिखाए. कोरोना को मार भगाए, इसको भारत की ताकत दिखाए. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.
Good morning everyone. I am Mahit Priyadarshi of class 4C. चीन के एक वायरस ने हमारी दुनिया ही बदल दी. पर कहते हैं दुख के बाद सुख आता है, धूप के बाद छाव आती है, रात के बाद दिन आता है. इसलिए कोरोना वायरस को भगाओ, वैक्सीन को लगवाओ. अपनी बारी आने पर वैक्सीन अवश्य लगवाए. हेल्थ इज वेल्थ, हेल्थ इज वेल्थ. लाइफ इज ब्यूटी, एडमायर इट. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.
I am Saksham of class 4D from Advanced Academy School. Open your eyes and take the vaccine. Getting vaccinated may also protect people around you.
Everyone, I am Yuvan of class 2nd E. My agenda for today is vaccination awareness. COVID-19 is a disease caused by deadly virus. This disease erupted back in
December 2019, and since then it has taken many lives due to lack of proper vaccination. Finally, when humankind get cured for this disease, people are not ready to get vaccinated. So, be scared of corona and don't be scared of vaccination, because vaccination is the best protection. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Are we ready to end this lockdown? I'm Tanishka Lalwani from class 3rd B, Advanced Academy, proud to be a part of India's historic vaccination. Thanks to all doctors. Made in India vaccine is a symbol of India's self-reliance. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Aradhya Singh Bhadoria of class 2nd E. Friends, we are overcoming from the pandemic COVID-19. Friends, please support vaccination and improve immunity for better life. Like saying, जब तक टीका नहीं तब तक ढिलाई नहीं. Go Corona go! Go Corona go! Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Vedant Goel. I studied in class 2nd E in Advanced Academy School. Today I am telling about vaccination. संक्रामक रोगों की रोकथाम के लिए वैक्सीनेशन सबसे प्रभावी और सस्ती विधि है. वैक्सीनेशन को लेकर लोगों में कई भ्रांतियां हैं. वैक्सीनेशन से डरे नहीं, यह जीवन रक्षक औषधि है जो सुरक्षा कवच बनकर आपकी रक्षा करेगी. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.
Good morning everyone. I am Bhavika Padodi of class 5th B. वैक्सीन लगाए, कोरोना के भय को मिटाए. मास्क और सैनिटाइजर से तन को स्वस्थ बनाए. स्वस्थ रहे, खुशहाल रहे हम सब, गीत अमन के गाए. आओ वैक्सीन लगाए, कोरोना के भय को मिटाए. थैंक यू.
Good morning everyone. My name is Lavitra Parvani. I study in class 3rd B from Advanced Academy School. This is rally for vaccination. जीवन में आएगी खुशियों की बयार, मत करो तुम वैक्सीन से इनकार. जीवन में आएगी खुशियों की बयार, मत करो तुम वैक्सीन से इनकार. वैक्सीन लगाना है, कोरोना को जड़ से भगाना है. वैक्सीन लगाना है, कोरोना को जड़ से भगाना है. Don't miss your shot to stop COVID-19.
नमस्कार, मैं शमन अग्रवाल एडवांस एकेडमी में कक्षा 2री बोर्ड का छात्र हूँ. आज मैं आपको यहाँ एक महत्वपूर्ण संदेश देने आया हूँ. सुनो सुनो सब, सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो. कोरोना को हराना है, वैक्सीन लगवाना है. जन जन तक ये संदेश पहुँचाना है, अब वैक्सीन लगवाना है. आज हम सब ये प्रण लेते हैं कि कोरोना को खुद पर हानि नहीं होने देंगे और वैक्सीन की मदद से उसे जड़ से मिटा देंगे. धन्यवाद.
Good morning to all. I am Aina Tiwari of class 5th B from Advanced Academy School. आओ सब करके टीकाकरण कराएं, जल्दी से पूरी दुनिया को सुरक्षित हम बनाएं. जल्दी से पूरी दुनिया को सुरक्षित हम बनाएं. Get yourself and your family vaccinated. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Akshata Yadav. I study in class 4th A in Advanced Academy School. Today I am introducing you from coronavirus vaccination. Why it is important to take this vaccine. India has already rolled out a massive coronavirus vaccination drive using 2 vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin. Covishield has been developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University and is being manufactured by Serum Institute of India. Normally, it takes many years to make a vaccine, but in a short span of time, made in India vaccines are ready. If you get sick, you could spread the disease to friends, family, and others around you. COVID-19 vaccination is a safe way to help and build protection. Wearing masks and social distancing help in reduce your chance to be exposed to the virus or spreading it to others. But these measures are not enough. Vaccines will work with your immune system, so it will be ready to fight to the virus if you are exposed. So don't hesitate. Get vaccinated. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Abdul Gupta. I stay in class 2nd B of Advanced Academy School. COVID-19 is a pandemic and many innocent people lost their lives to this virus. Hence, it's a humble request to all that finally take this vaccine whenever it's your turn and save the world from this monstrous virus. If you want that you defeat coronavirus, we all have to vaccinate it. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Jessie Kingrani. I study in class 4th in Advanced Academy School. Today I am going to talk about vaccination of coronavirus. Made in India vaccination are now introduced. Scientists launching Made in India vaccines. Yes, we are proud of them. Quality is as much important as quantity. Our standards should rise with our skill in our quest for Atmanirbhar Bharat. These are words by our Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi. So now we are coming to the end of the pandemic. Prevention is better than cure. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Pranal Kharge. I am studying class 3rd C of Advanced Academy School. Save life of every human being. Let's come and have COVID vaccine. Do your duty as a citizen. Be a part of COVID vaccination. Save your life. Save your nation. Come and join COVID vaccination. Rumors should be ignored. Vaccination should be more. Stand with the country, stand with the people. Encourage COVID vaccine, encourage vaccination. ना किसी गलत फहमी में आए, विज्ञान पर विश्वास जताए, कोविड वैक्सीन लगवाए और कोरोना को दूर भगाए. Keep calm and trust science. Thank you.
सुप्रभात. मैं आर्यन रंजन कक्षा 3री अ का छात्र एडवांस्ड एकेडमी स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ. हिंदुस्तान को बचाना है तो कोविड का टीका लगवाना है. समय पर वैक्सीनेशन दे परिवार को सुरक्षित जीवन. समय पर टीका लगवाओ, डॉक्टर्स पर भरोसा दिखाओ. नहीं डरेंगे, कोरोना से नहीं डरेंगे. डॉक्टर्स पर भरोसा रखेंगे, कोरोना से नहीं डरेंगे. धन्यवाद.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arti Sharma. I study in class 4th C. My topic is corona vaccine. Are you scared that the corona will infect you? Say no more. Have no fear. Dr. Nath is here. Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. I am happy to announce that we Indians are one step ahead from the world today. It is safe and 75% effective. One more good news is there. It is not so much costly. It is only 500 rupees for each person. So go to your nearby medical store and get one mask free and enjoy your life as before the pandemic situation. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. I am Khushi Mahavar from from class 4th B. I study in Advanced Academy School. It is a proud moment that our scientists have made vaccine for coronavirus disease. So trust them and do not hesitate to take it. डर को भगाना है, कोरोना को हराना है, वैक्सीन लगवाना है, देश को जिताना है. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arna Singh of class 3rd C of Advanced Academy School. Fighting a global pandemic is not only the obligation of government and administration. We as individuals have to put our hardest effort. All we need to do is follow rules, guidelines and get vaccinated. Also don't believe in rumors and don't spread them. वैक्सीन लगवाने का रखो ध्यान, ही है कोरोना का समाधान. Always remember it's 2021. Don't let anyone waste your time. Thank you.
When you get a virus, don't get blue. Get your vaccine today to stop the flu. Hello everyone. I Jacinta Katara studying class 30 Advanced Academy. Let's celebrate this momentous moment and feel the incredible mix of joy and optimism. So everyone, say it and say it loud. Don't hesitate, just vaccinate. Be wise, immunize. Stay strong, healthy, safe and happy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello friends, my name is Lakshya. I study in class 3rd in Advanced Academy. कोविड-19 जब हमारे देश में आया, देश की पूरी इकोनॉमी ही हिल गई. कोविड-19 से बचने का एक ही तरीका है, वह है वैक्सीन. सो प्लीज सेव योर फैमिली एंड वर्ल्ड. आज है तो कल है. आपकी सुरक्षा, आपके परिवार की सुरक्षा और देश की सुरक्षा. प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. थैंक यू.
Finally, the corona vaccine has arrived.
India fights corona. India fights corona. India fights corona. India fights corona.
Excuse me, sir. Your good name, sir?
My name is Sharpal Singh Chima from Advanced Academy School.
What are your views on the vaccination drive, sir?
Now more than ever, it is necessary to make sure that the products of scientific development benefits all. Insist that health is put before profit and access to life-saving medicines and vaccines is guaranteed for everyone, everywhere. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
India fights corona. India fights corona.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abhinay of class 3rd A studying in Advanced Academy School. The vaccines are here, but there will be no good without willing arms to take shots. Vaccine gives us hope. The pandemic will end. Be informed, be prepared, be smart, be safe. Get vaccinated. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Pradyuman Thakur. I study in class 5th A in Advanced Academy School. सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, कोरोना का टीका लगवा लो. भारत ने टीका बनाया है, हमें कोरोना को दूर भगाना है. आओ मिलकर शपथ खाए, भारत को महामारी मुक्त कराए. Keep your health prestige. Get the corona vaccine. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Siddhi Gupta. I study in class 3rd in Advanced Academy School. आओ मिलकर वैक्सीन लगवाएं, कोरोना को दूर भगाएं. यही है नारा हमारा, कोरोना मुक्त देश हमारा. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Anna Jain from class 5th A. वैक्सीन हम लगवाएंगे, कोरोना दूर भगाएंगे. वैक्सीन हम लगवाएंगे, कोरोना दूर भगाएंगे. वैक्सीन लगवाइए, अफवाहें ना फैलाइए. आप लगवाइए और अपने परिवार को भी लगवाइए. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Shrishti Mishra of class 4B and I study in School Advanced Academy. Today I am here to aware you guys. Vaccine is most effective tool against the COVID-19 virus. So please bring awareness and ensure that every person should be vaccinated in your country. दर्द को निकाल दो दिल से, वैक्सीन लगवा लो मिलके.
Good morning everyone. I am Laksh Taryani. I study in Advanced Academy. तैयारी पूरी है, जीत निश्चित है. डरे नहीं, टीका लगवाएं.
Go
Corona go! Go Corona go! Go Corona go! I'm Sat Ketan Patel from class 1C from Advanced Academy School. Be aware of corona vaccination. India is ready for corona vaccination. Bye bye corona. Vaccine in, corona out. बीमारी से डरे पर टीके से नहीं. Corona vaccine is safe, so people please should not hesitate and get vaccinated. Stay safe. Thank you.
हमारे परिवार की और हमारे समाज की सुरक्षा के लिए कोरोना का टीका जरूर लगवाएगी. गो कोरोना गो.
Hello everyone, I am Yug Davar of class 1st from Advanced Academy. वैक्सीन लगाने की हो गई है शुरुआत, अब जल्द होगा कोरोना परास्त. वैक्सीन लगाओ, कोरोना भगाओ. वैक्सीन लगाओ, कोरोना भगाओ. धन्यवाद.
Good morning everyone. I am Avanti Shah. I study in class 2nd D in Advanced Academy School. Get vaccinated. It is the best way to protect yourself and your family members and your community. Let us kick the corona from this world. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Samarth Gupta and I study in class 2nd C in Advanced Academy School. Today I am recite the slogan on awareness of corona vaccine. Don't be stubborn like a hyena. Don't be stubborn like a hyena. Get vaccinated towards corona. Get vaccinated towards corona. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everybody. I am Suresh Parashar from 2nd D. गली गली में शोर है, वैक्सीन ही कोरोना का तोड़ है. गली गली में शोर है, वैक्सीन ही कोरोना का तोड़ है. वैक्सीन हम लगाएंगे, कोरोना मुक्त भारत बनाएंगे.
Good morning everyone. I am Nirvi Sahu. I study in class 2nd C of Advanced Academy School. Today I am going to narrate one slogan for corona vaccine warriors. कहने सुनने पर ना दे ध्यान, कोरोना वैक्सीन लगाने से है सबका कल्याण. Thank you and have a nice day.